So today's video is going to be all about blushes. So this is not a blush. This is my OG Miss Claire shade 57. I started applying blush as a kid by using lipsticks. So this was my first ever blush. Like I used to apply it on my lips and on my cheeks, and this color is so amazing, so pretty. Okay, this is the shade. So as a blush, it performs wonder. I got like 2 more shades for my whole life. Since 9th standard I'm using that particular shade, so I thought of experimenting and got these 2 shades. And this pink one, shade number 52. I'm trying to create a perfect swatch. See, I hope it. So that shade on the cheeks, it looks amazing. This is really hard to blend if you are using your finger. So with the help of the brush, I don't know why my camera is showing it like too much, but it is not too much. Coming on to the third shade, it is shade number 58. Okay, let me show you the swatch. So this is the swatch. Even this one you can easily blend with your hand. See. Most favorite blush. Almost going to expire, and it hurts in my heart because they have stopped manufacturing this particular product. I even talked to them, I DM'd them like, I really love this product, can you just restock it? They were like, they have just discontinued making it, so I feel very unhappy about it. Watery based, it is complete water. So this is the swatch. Let me just. So the longevity of this particular blush is so bomb, like it stays for a longer period of time. Like I used to go to college at 7:30 AM and it was there at 8:30 PM in the evening, and it's amazing. I really want them to make it again. But the only defect is that you have to be quick while blending. And this is only better when you blend it with brush. Then only it is going to get blended. With your hands, they are not going to blend. It just gives the natural. This is actually water based, completely water based, so it stays longer and it looks really amazing. Like this is my most favorite. I have 2 lip and cheek tint from Blue Heaven. One is this one and another one is the liquid one. So this is in the shade Muted Peach. Talking about the longevity, it doesn't last long. The pigmentation is amazing. The only thing I just told you that it doesn't last long. That's the only problem I have with this one. See, it is so smooth to blend. The easiest of all. को निकालने में वक्त नहीं लगता, सवारने में लगता है भाई. Okay, this one Blue Heaven Pop and Glow Copper Pink color. This I have used a lot. It is almost on its deathbed. It is not even coming out. It's not even coming out. I can't even show you. The only problem with this blush is the quantities. Maximum I have used for 10 times and it is almost gone. I don't know how I'm gonna show it to you. Oh, look, cute. Okay. See, the shade is amazing. This is very convenient to carry. But again, I took too much. Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. This lasts for a long period of time and this gives you, a hydrating finish to your skin. I have recommended my friends and they are also using this one. I'm in the shade Cherry I will be buying one more shade which is in pink. I don't remember exact shade name, so I'm going to buy that as well. And you can see like it is almost finished and I've used it so much. This lasts a long, and so this shade is amazing. It is long lasting. This is the shade. See the pigmentation. You can blend it as per you want. So I got this from the Borivali Hills. I was walking on the bridge and there that guy was selling some blushes from Swiss Beauty and like various other brands. But this one caught my attention because first thing, the shade is very amazing. I legit applied on my cheeks, my hands, and then I bought it. I don't know how safe this product is, but I am using it since 4 days and I have not found any harm on my skin. So I do not think, because I have seen this brand on Amazon, like I will add the picture as well. So they are even selling on Amazon. So I really love this blush and you can see the pigmentation. So that's all for today's video. I have showed all the blushes I got. We are going to get more blushes and I will make a new video again. If you have any doubt, drop in the comments.